Hello everyone and welcome back to Easy English with Manoj Matthew here. Today through this video I am going to share with you some basic ideas on IELTS speaking test. And if you are here to watch this video, then definitely either you are going to prepare for your IELTS speaking test or you are going to help someone who is going to sit the IELTS speaking test next time. So you know that speaking test will be more easy for you if you put time and effort for improving your English language. You know, English speaking is a skill. It's not all about any knowledge that you possess through any subjects. If you are able to speak your ideas in a better and clear way without grammatical mistakes, then there will be a great chance for you to score good bands in IELTS speaking test. This video I am going to help you how IELTS speaking test works both in British Council and also in IDB. If you are here for the first time, then please do subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon so that you will get all notifications whenever I upload any English lessons useful videos for you. Here is the speaking test format that you can see here. The speaking component is the same for both tests, IELTS Academic and IELTS General Training. And there are three parts. If you are going to appear for the IELTS speaking test, be sure that the examiner is going to record your speaking test for further verifications. So be well prepared to speak better without more any hesitations. Okay, so you have to be very careful for that. Be very free and be confident enough. So the first part, as I have already told you, there are three parts and it will take around 13-14. It will be in around 15 minutes. So the first part here is introduction and interview. It will take around 4 to 5 minutes and the examiner introduces him or herself and asks you to introduce yourself and confirm your identity. The examiner asks you some general questions like on the topics family, work, studies and interests. Normally those questions will be what's your name, how it spells, and where do you live, are you a student or a working person. So those kinds of some general questions you can expect in the first part of the introduction speaking test part. So here the second part is a little bit lengthy. It's not lengthy actually, but it's the core part. Three parts are important. But the second part I say is core because here is the chance the examiner will come across find more grammatical mistakes or the logical connection problems in your speaking skills. So the second part is individual long term. So it will take around 3 to 4 minutes and there will be a cue card that I think you know that there will be a cue card. There is a question that you'll have to read and prepare for at least 1 minute. After 1 minute preparation, you will get time to talk. So this is the one main thing that you will have to remember. So there are many topics that you can find on internet. It will definitely help you to improve for your better score results in the next time that you are going to sit for the IELTS speaking test. And the last one, that is two-way discussion. This is a kind of discussion between you and the interviewer. Okay, so it will take around 4 to 5 minutes. So based on the second part, there will be some discussion. So it will help you to express your opinions and what you think about the topic. And you can just, in a friendly way, you can talk and discuss on the topic. So my dear friends, here are the three main parts of IELTS speaking test. So if you are going to sit for exam the next time, so make sure that these are the main things that you will have to keep it in your mind. I'm sure that you are going to prepare for IELTS very keenly and very sincerely. So you will get more ideas and helpful videos from my YouTube channel. So please do subscribe and enable the bell icon so that you will get latest updates whenever I upload a new video. All the best and prepare well, and I would like to remind you once again, success comes only through hard work. So you'll have to give time and dedicate your time and practice well. Only through practice you're going to achieve your dream score, dream band for your future studies, for your future settlements in any English speaking countries. So have a nice time. Prepare yourself for your next exam and in the next video we'll meet again. Take care, stay safe.